Another day of lockdown and another easy recipe of breakfast bread casserole. Roughly tear up whatever leftover bread you have. It could be different types of bread too. Chop up whatever vegetables are there. Here I have used carrots, potatoes, onions, broccoli, tomatoes and some sausages. Take a frying pan with a tablespoon of olive oil and lightly saute the onions and 4 to 5 chopped garlic. One by one add the vegetables and finally the sausages and stir fry till the vegetables have softened. Break 6 to 8 eggs in a mixing bowl. You could add up to 12 eggs depending on the size of your family. Add a cup of milk to that, salt to taste and any other flavor. I added a teaspoon of parsley pesto. Whisk it well. To this, add the sauteed vegetables and a handful of chopped coriander leaves, which is completely optional. Mix it all up with the whisk. Take a baking dish and grease the bottom and the sides with butter. Layer the bottom with torn up bread. Pour the egg mixture all over this. Top with the grated cheese. Now pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees C for about 20 to 25 minutes or until your egg has set. You need to stick a knife at the center and see if the knife is coming out clean to check if the egg has set. Take it out when done and let it cool down a bit. Cut into squares and serve it. You could serve it with a bowl of soup and it becomes a great dinner option. If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.